So I'm going to show you the cable management, not just for computers, but I actually use it for my car, if you guys can see that. I have a cable that runs all the way to the actual camera here. And I'm using every single tie here, if you guys can see that, all the way down. So it's for cable management, it's perfect. It's not gonna, I'm gonna set it up here, if you guys can see that. I'm putting it up on here, the dashboard. All right, today we're gonna bring cable management accessories. Now this is all included, the tubing actually for cables, zip ties, also for grabbing extra cables on the bottom, extending them. There's a lot of little zip ties. They give you 100 pieces. They give you a bunch of sticky tabs. Along with the extra sticky tabs, you could actually add the zip ties to it. Velcro strips. A lot of the accessories. I actually use a couple of them for my car, which is great. But today we're going to set it up on our computer here. We have a lot of cable management to actually access. We're going to set this up first, tie it up, and see how it looks. Perfect example. If you can see, the cable is managed through the extra strip. We tied it down. We're gonna see how it goes together. I like this feature. It's a little dark in here because I'm working in the background, so that's what I'm doing. All right, so I'm tying up this. You guys can see the ribbon. A lot of zip ties here. Not the zip ties, but the Velcro ties. Make sure all looks nice and clean. It's coming along right now. We still have this cable that we have to worry, but this is actually a heavy duty, so it's gonna hang there for a bit. But overall, it's looking really, really good. A couple more steps, one more connection we need to connect, and that should be it. I'm gonna undust it a little bit in the back, hardly coming to the back, but these things are awesome. Look at this one. Look how long I ran this one for. This is probably the best one. I like it. Well neat, well secure. So a little bit more cable managed, better than what it was before, which was a spaghetti. So, all right, let's check out the cable management underneath. And if you can see, the cable goes here. I put in a zip ties right here in this area. Goes all the way back, so you can see how clean it is. Before, this thing was hanging here. Now on my desk, the stand-up desk, looks great. Clean. I'm almost done. Start to look better. You guys can see. I put these are my favorite. They go zigzag zip ties right here because I want an option to remove them. So very simple. What I'm doing for the Velcro right here. What I'm filming, that's what I'm doing. Overall, the cable management, a couple cables here and there, but look at how beautiful it came out. I don't see anything sticking out. Everything's well secure, especially for a stand-up desk. I can move this anywhere pretty much, and it works very well. I like that it's well secure. See the cables in the back, and a couple of leftovers here that I'm going to use for my next project. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.